Greetings, my fellow foolish mortal, and welcome to the Scare Factor. Tonight we are here at the haunted hayride at the Bell Witch Cave. This place is one of the most notorious haunted places in Tennessee, but during the spooky season they've also got a haunted hayride. We're going to take you on board with us, so without further ado, let's go get some scares.
Hayride time!
Hayride!
We're at the Bell Witch Cave doing the hayride. Wonderful to see the witch.
Oh yeah, you guys. Oh!
What happened?
It got dark. It got dark.
The only light is your light.
Oh man.
Okay.
What's behind us? Oh no.
Jesus!
Oh man. Oh man.
They're crawling around.
Oh god, they're coming up behind us.
Somebody running.
Oh man.
Oh goodness.
Oh god, there they go.
Oh my. Oh, what's that?
I don't.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh god.
Oh, that was
The victim.
Oh
god.
Oh!
Oh, that's what's after. Oh god.
Uh-oh, he belongs in the asylum.
Uh-oh.
Go back there. Oh god.
Oh. Hello. Oh my god.
Oh god.
Oh, nice!
Oh god.
Oh my god! Oh, you got some
man.
wow!
Yeah! Oh more.
Ew, spiders! Ew!
Oh, Spidey webs.
Spiders! Yuck!
Oh god.
Always spiders.
Oh my! Oh, be careful! I don't think I've ever been on a hayride that's this dark.
It's very dark.
It's creepy.
That's cool. That's so cool. I saw someone
That is
there.
awesome. Yeah!
That's amazing.
Oh, that was awesome. This is one that's like pretty unpredictable too because
Right?
you can't see.
It's so dark you can't see anything coming, yeah.
No.
You just don't know it. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
There's a bushman!
It's a bushman. Oh god. You can't trust
That
him.
was good.
Oh no.
Oh god. Oh god. There's Jason. Oh no.
Oh shoot, that's Jason.
He can walk faster than we can drive.
Oh lordy.
Oh god, he seems
Oh.
angry.
Oh god.
Oh man. Oh god. Look at
Bye, mama's boy.
Where's he going?
Oh.
Oh, he's still coming.
Oh, he's coming.
Back for
he's coming.
seconds.
He heard me. Yeah.
Oh god.
What is that?
I don't know.
What is it?
I don't know. What is it?
Oh my.
Oh. Hello.
Spirits haunt the night.
Uh-oh.
Beware to all.
Oh no. Oh, come on.
I'm good. Come on. Run faster.
Come on up.
Run faster.
Oh, somebody jump up.
Oh.
Night.
Oh my. It's a woodsman.
Yeah, woodsman.
Oh god.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Oh my.
Oh god.
Oh my.
Oh, what's he got? I don't know, but
Uh-oh.
what is
They
it?
don't sound like he's...
Oh no.
He just shot a zombie. He shooted it.
All
Woodsmen
right.
have guns.
I mean,
Oh no.
should we feel happy?
Who's that?
Oh.
Oh god.
I don't know.
Oh,
Oh, what's
no.
happening? Are you getting
They don't look
attacked?
good. Oh my.
Oh no.
Oh my.
Yeah.
Very good.
All right.
She seemed like she was distraught.
It was flat again.
Gosh. Oh no. We lost the tractor. The tractor shut up.
What's going on?
Oh my.
Oh.
Oh my. Oh my. Holy cow. It's the real one. He's in Kentucky. Oh, there he goes again. Oh my.
I want to pet it.
That is cool.
That's really cool.
Oh, that is awesome.
That's really cool.
Wow. I love that just
silhouette.
standing in the distance back there. That's so good.
know.
Ooh,
So cool.
that was amazing.
What the heck was that?
What?
Oh my.
Oh God.
Oh!
On this side too. Oh God. Come on. Oh God.
What was that?
You got them. They're down.
They're reloading, Tyler.
It's the woodsman again.
I heard him reload.
Oh my.
Oh no!
Oh God.
Welcome back.
Oh my.
Oh.
Oh God.
Bye.
We didn't do it.
Uh-oh, it's not working. Oh,
Oh.
there it goes. Wow.
You gotta watch out for him, woodsman.
What's happening now? Oh, tree. Oh.
What was that? Oh, there he is again.
my.
He's back. Oh, we don't have. Oh. Oh.
Oh God. He looks like he's eaten recently.
Well, yeah, maybe.
Maybe.
He narrowly escaped death yet again. Oh my.
Oh.
Spoke too soon. It's the bushman.
Oh no.
He's back. Oh my.
What the
Hello.
hell?
Oh,
Who is
my
it?
God.
No. Oh, it's
Jason.
Jason.
back.
Oh crap.
Yeah.
Oh, Mama's boy.
Oh.
Now he's really mad.
Oh, that was awesome.
It was. I like that. He flashed you.
I got flashed by Jason.
You did.
He did.
What
Okay.
the frick is that?
Is that a
oh,
fence?
it's a cemetery gate.
Gates.
Hello.
Oh, it's something big.
What is?
There's something big in there. Oh my God, what is that? It's a bird.
Oh my God!
That's so
That's so
Oh
cool!
my God.
Oh,
Wow!
Oh my God.
shit. Oh, wow.
Holy cow. Oh my. Uh-oh. Oh no.
Bird, don't feed us to it. No.
No, I don't want to be fed to it. Oh man. Holy crap.
That's so awesome.
The heck is that?
It's a bird.
Oh my God.
Can you see it?
Oh man.
That was awesome.
Get me this
Yeah, yeah.
Oh man.
That one's fresh too.
Oh,
Oh my.
get.
Oh God.
What?
Oh my.
Where did they come from?
Where did they come from?
He was under the other one.
Under the other one.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
Oh my.
Uh-oh. Ooh.
I feel like we're gonna get bit.
Gotta bite your knees. You're gonna get your kneecaps.
Watch your feet.
Oh, I saw movement. I saw movement. Hold
My
up.
nails hang out.
What's happening? What is this?
I see somebody
Oh.
jumping.
Oh, we're dancing.
Oh my.
I
don't know.
think
What
Not
do
at
you
the
play?
moment.
Are you nice?
You play nice?
Oh no. Oh no.
Incoming!
Oh God. That made her mad?
Yeah.
There she goes.
Witches.
What have we got here?
Uh-oh, what
what's
the heck
witches?
is that?
What I look like.
Witches brewing something up. Oh God.
Oh,
What's that?
I don't know.
We don't know.
There's a witch over
Just riding
there.
on the wagon.
Oh no.
Oh my.
Oh no. Wow.
That was awesome.
What a finale.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Thanks, monsters.
All right, guys, well, that was it for the Witch's Dell Haunted Hayride here at the Bell Witch Cave. Let us know what you thought. Don't forget, they do overnight tours here at the cave. If you come here during the hayride, you can also get a tour of the cabin and the cave, so make sure you count for some time for that. If you enjoyed this one, we're going to several more down here in South Central Kentucky. I've got one of them linked for you right here. I'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.